Good morning students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. In previous video, as we have finished our exercise number 6.1, in that one what we have learned? Altitude, median of triangle. Right? What are the altitudes and what are the median of triangle? Different type of triangles are there and different altitude and medians are there. Right? And now today we are going to learn, that is one theorem, angle sum property of triangle. As we know, the sum of interior angle of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Now today we will prove that. Okay. So let's start. Here first of all, what is given? First of all we will write angle sum property of triangle, or we can write here statement also. The sum of all interior angle is equal to 180 degree. All interior angle. Like one triangle is there, I am just drawing here. See, this is a triangle. Okay, the name of this triangle is A, B and C. Okay, this is a triangle. So what is given here? We have written here what is given. A, B, C is our triangle. After that we will do what to prove. Okay, we want to prove something. So what to prove? We want to prove that sum of all interior angle, like this A, this B and this C. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. We want to prove the same here. So for this purpose we have to construct something in this one. So by construction we will do something. Construction. In construction what we will write? This is the way to write a theorem. Like this only we will solve. Here also, in exam also, and try to learn it properly. So first of all in construction I am writing here, draw a line named PQ. Okay, draw a line PQ parallel to BC, right, through point A. Okay, through point A we will draw a line parallel to BC. How we will draw? Like this. ये देखो, this is the line P and Q. Like this can we draw? And here you can take this B up to here and the C up to here for understanding it in easy way. Now see here, PQ is parallel to BC. Okay, so for easiness I am just writing here some names of angle. I am just writing here angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, this is angle 4, and the one more angle we have formed here, this is angle number 5. Right? We want to prove that 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 180 degree. Okay, we want to prove the sum of interior angle. Now see what to do here. So here we will prove. How to prove? See, first of all, this PQ is parallel to BC. Correct? So here, before that, see here, angle 3 plus 4 plus 5. Can you write here? See, angle 4 plus angle 3 plus angle 5. 4, 3, 5. What will be the sum of these angles? 180 degree or not? See, this is PQ is a straight line and all angles are formed on the same. See, this is a straight line. This is 180 degree or not? Right? How many angles we are forming doesn't matter. So here 3 angles are there. Their sum also will be equal to 180 degree. Is it? Yes. So we can write here this will be equal to 180 degree. Here we have to write reason also. What is the reason behind this? The reason is sum of all angle formed on a line is 180 degree. Sum of all angle formed on a लाइन, एक लाइन पे जब एंगल बनते हैं ना तो उनको क्या बोल देते हैं? 180 degree means supplementary. करेक्ट, ये आपके पास हो गया वाला. दिस इज, यू मे मार्क इट इक्वेशन नंबर 1. इक्वेशन हम देख रहे हैं. नाउ सेकंड थिंग, सी हियर, this PQ is parallel to BC. Now see here, PQ is parallel to BC. ये दोनों parallel है. And AB is transversal, right? And AB is transversal. If AB is transversal, can you see this 4 and 1 are alternate interior angle? And we have already learned in previous exercise that alternate interior angle are equal when lines are parallel. In previous chapter we have learned this one. So can we write here, angle 1 and 4 will be equal. So angle 4 will be equal to angle 1. Can we mark it equation number 2? Right? Now same in that side, again PQ and BC are parallel, right? Again PQ is parallel to BC. PQ और BC तो parallel है ना. And other side, this AC is transversal. This time we will take AC as transversal. Okay? ये देखो ध्यान से, ये AC ट्रांसवर्सल है, करेक्ट है. तो इसमें भी आप देखोगे 5 और 2 ऑल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल है ना. यहाँ भी आप रीजन लिख सकते हो इसका, कौन से, ऑल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल. ओके, सो हियर PQ is parallel to BC and here AC is transversal. अगर AC ट्रांसवर्सल है, rest part can I do here? यहाँ करते हैं बाकी का पार्ट. ये ट्रांसवर्सल है, सो एंगल 5 and 2 will be equal or not? So angle 5 will be equal to angle 2. Reason, you may mark it equation number 3. Reason will be alternate interior angles are equal. Right? देखो तीन चीजें हो गई. Line are parallel. This 4 equal to 1. This 5 equal to 2 and 4 plus 3 plus 5 is equal to 180 degree. अब देखो इस इक्वेशन में इन फर्स्ट वन, कैन वी पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ एंगल नंबर 4 इज इक्वल टू 1? कैन वी पुट एंगल नंबर 5 इज इक्वल टू 2? कैन वी पुट? सो हियर पुट एंगल 4 इज इक्वल टू एंगल 1 एंड एंगल 5 इज इक्वल टू एंगल 2 इन इक्वेशन नंबर 1. अब देखो 1 में अगर हम रखेंगे तो क्या होगा, 1 में रखेंगे 4 plus 3 plus 5, 4 plus 3 plus 5. यहाँ देखो तो 4 की जगह मैं क्या रख दूंगा, 4 की जगह 1. तो यहाँ देखो 4 की जगह 1 रखता हूँ मैं, एंगल 1 प्लस 3 की जगह कुछ नहीं रखना है, एंगल 3 रख दिया मैंने, प्लस 5 की जगह क्या रखना है, एंगल 2. दिस इज एंगल 2 विल बी इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. करेक्ट, ये 180 डिग्री है. ऐसे कैसे आ गया, दिस इक्वल साइन सेम एज इट इज. 5 is equal to 2 from this one, 4 is equal to 1 from this one, and 3 here I have written here as it is. Got it? So now next will be, यहाँ देखेंगे 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 180 degree. What is angle 1? 1 is B, this one is C, and this is A. So can you write here angle B plus angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. This one we wanted to prove. Got it? ये है तरीका इसको solve करने का. Like this you will solve. Okay, this is the way to solve this theorem. तो समझ में आ गया होगा. Same method you will have to use in exam also if it will be asked to you. Okay, so let's solve now some questions, related question from your exercise. So come to that one. So students, in this exercise questions are based on this theorem, are very easy. You will see, then you will understand them easily. So first I am erasing this, then we will do the questions. Now we know very well that sum of interior angle of our triangle is equal to 180 degree. Okay, like see in 6.2 question number 1, you can see your book. Here questions are given. Okay, I'm showing here, you can see. So first question I'm going to write here. Here find the unknown angle x in the following figure. Like first figure is given. Here question is find x. Correct? Unknown angle is given x. So here first one is ABC is given. देखना ध्यान से. A, B and C. This one is 75 degree. This is 55 degree. And the last one is x. We have to find the value of x. Can we find? Yes, easily we can find. How? We know the sum of whole angle is equal to 180 degree. Can we say angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree? Reason, you can write here angle sum property of triangle. Because of angle sum property of triangle, we can say that sum of interior angle will be equal to 180 degree. So can we say here that one question I am doing like this, then rest question we will try to do directly. Okay, so here sum of all, this will be 75 degree plus 55 degree plus x degree will be equal to 180 degree, right? So now sum of these two is equal to will be 5 plus 5, 10 carry 1, 7, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 7 13 plus x is equal to 180 degree. Hope you understood this one. Now here this 130 degree we will transpose in that side na? So this x will be equal to 180 minus 130 degree. So when we will subtract 180 degree minus 130 degree is equal to, that will be equal 50 degree. Okay, so this is the value of x. We wanted to find the unknown angle. This was a number A. This is A. After that, see now you can see question number B. In B, A, B, C, one right angle triangle is given. Right? Right angle triangle, you know, whose one angle is right angle and it is denoted by this sign. This is square sign. Okay? The name of this triangle is A, B and C. This is. Okay. Now angles are given. One angle, this one is given 55 degree. This is 90 degree as you can see. This sign is denoted. This is sign for 90 degree angle na. So means here 90 degree is there. So you may write this is not essential. And this one is x. Okay. Now how we will find the third angle x? Same, sum of interior angle is equal to 180 degree. So here next part I am doing. This their sum will be equal to. Can we write here like this? X plus 55 plus 90 degree will be equal to 180 degree. Why? The reason you will have to write here angle sum property of triangle. This is because of angle sum property of triangle. This is the reason. Now sum of them x plus 55 plus 90. So x plus 55 plus 90 is equal to, that is 145 degree. Correct? Are you getting? 505, 9 plus 5 equal 14 is equal to 180 degree. Same we have solved. Now this 145 can be transposed in that side. So x will be equal to 180 degree minus 145 degree. Right? So now by transposing what will come? 180 minus 145 will be 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3 and 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So this is 35. So the value of x here we have 35 degree. Got it? This is the value of x. Like this you can find others also in the third question, in fourth question. Now see fourth and fifth we will take. Okay, hope you understood this one. Now we will see number 4, means number D. Okay, D में क्या है, वन ABC triangle is given D. ध्यान से देखना इसको. One triangle is given. The name of triangle is A B C. This one is x, this one is x, and this is also x. Now what to do? The sum of interior angle, as we know, x plus x plus x, these all are in degree ना, will be equal to 180 degree. होगा ना? क्यों? क्योंकि sum of interior angle is 180 degree. So now the sum of these all, x plus x, 1x, 1x, 1x is equal to 3x, will be equal to 180 degree. Reason क्या लिखना है? Same angle sum property of triangle. Okay, in short I have written here. So this is in multiplication na, so x will be equal to 180 degree divided by 3. So what will come? X will be equal to 3 1 ja 3, 3 6 ja 18, means 60 degree. X is 60, means each angle is 60 degree, and all angle are equal. That is equilateral triangle, right? Yes, that is equilateral triangle. So this we have done here. Okay, so now let's take last one also. Watch it carefully, थोड़ा ध्यान से देखना. Here also we have ABC, a triangle, and that is a right angle triangle, right? Such type of triangle is there, like this. The name of the triangle is ABC. A, B and C. Okay, here this angle is given 2x, and this angle is given 3x, and this is given 90 degree. Correct? 2x, 3x and 90 degree. ये जो 90 degree है ना, ये वाला, इसको लिख लो 90 degree. Correct? Now again the same thing what we are doing from last these 3 questions. Sum of all angle will be equal to 180 degree. So can we take here? So we can write here 2x plus 3x plus 90 degree. This angle we are taking as 90 because this is right angle. Will be equal to 180 degree. Reason, what is the reason? Reason is angle sum property of triangle. Due to this property we can write the sum is equal to 180 degree. Okay, now next part is 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5x plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. Here also you can take degree, no? 2x, 3x. Okay, 5x is equal to, like term take together. So can we transpose? So by transposing, this will be 180 degree minus 90 degree. So 5x will be 180 minus 90 is equal to 90 degree. Right? When we will subtract, 90 will come. So the x will be equal to 90 degree upon 5. So this will be equal to, divide this one, 5 1 ja 5, and what is left? 4 na, 5 8 ja 40, so 18 degree will come. Means the value of x is equal to 18 degree. Hope you understood everything. Okay, so this is, I think this is very easy, not so difficult for you also. Okay, so rest part we will do tomorrow in next video or class. Okay, so this much is enough today. Okay, so question number 1 you will finish in your copy, and question number 2 you may try, otherwise we will do. Thank you, have a nice day, and in your group I'll send your syllabus for your exam. Thank you.